Does Safari on your iPhone feel too plain every time you open it? The good news is, you can easily change that. In this video, I'll show you how to set your favorite photo as a background in just a few seconds and make your Safari look much nicer and more personal. Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any new tutorials I post. First, find and open the Safari app on your phone. Once you're on the Safari start page, the next thing you need to do is tap on the Edit button. This will open an additional menu in Safari with various settings you can change. After that, in this section at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the background image option. Tap the toggle to turn it on, and you'll get several different images to choose from. You can pick one of the offered backgrounds, or if you don't like any of them, you can choose one from your gallery by tapping on the plus icon. I'll choose one of the available backgrounds. Once you've selected it, simply tap the X in the top right corner of the screen to return to the main Safari page. Now you can see that your new background has been applied instantly, and Safari looks much nicer and more personalized. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.